Right, good afternoon, folks. Today we're taking a look at July cocoa, CCN20, depending on what platform you're using, but we're looking at July cocoa in the softs complex. ETF traders can take a look at NIB, N-I-B, the ETF, and you can follow the same pattern and setup. But what we're looking at here is a potential reversal or turning point for cocoa, both from a seasonal and technical standpoint. Found this using our smart seasonal scans. It came across this potential trade here, this potential long on cocoa on or around 4.8. We got a high score here of 4+, calling for a potential long on around 4.8 with an end date of around 4:30. So we're only going to be in this trade approximately 20 to 30 days, depending on how quickly we move. It's been profitable 80% of the time over the last 10 years, so 8 of the last 10 years, with an average profit of around $1,600 per contract. That's about 160 points in cocoa, and you can see a year-by-year breakdown. So let's go ahead and get to the charts and see what we're looking at. Here is a daily chart of July cocoa, again CCN20. You see very clearly here we are kind of basing out here at longer term support. You'll see a little bit of spottiness right here because this was not an actively traded contract. This was over a year ago. And if we look to the weekly, we'll see even less data. But very clearly here, going all the way back to mid to late 2018 when the contract was when the contract was starting to get picked up as far as trading volume goes, we can see that this area has served as support. Now, if we go to a weekly chart, we might be able to get a little bit better glimpse. Let's actually flip to a monthly, and you can see that this area right around here in this 22 to 22.5 range has served as long-term support. And in fact, that's going all the way back to 07, 08, so a good 10 years plus of data, which of course is encompassed in this smart futures scan. So what we're looking at here, going back to the daily chart of cocoa, we know on a continuous contract basis we're running into longer term support, longer term price structure, and what we're looking at is to get long or buy cocoa futures on stops above 2280 to 2285. Our risk will be down here below these last swing lows, below 2190, 2180. And we know, based on historical seasonal perspective, that the average gain has been about $1,600 per contract. Again, that's about 160 ticks. So getting long here around 2280 plus 160 would take us up here into the 2440 area, which is right around in this area. Notice that that has been a nice area of resistance and or support, which gives us that price structure target. So again, we're looking to get long here around 2280, 2290 with a move up to around 2420 to 2450, looking for about 160 points or so per contract. Again, if you're not trading futures or futures options, you could follow this trade using the ETN that tracks cocoa, which is NIB. NIB currently trading around 26.25 to 26.5. That's your seasonal idea of the week. Hope it helps. Good luck, good trading. We'll see you on the next update.